Good morning, General Math. This is your assignment video for December 1st through 4th. First of all, let's talk about this week's Google Meets. If you are in cohort 1, you are meeting Tuesday and Wednesday. If you are in cohort 2, you are meeting Thursday and Friday. So please make sure you know what day and time you are meeting. Also remember, the code is Hovey Math for everybody. So we're going to start with a question of the week. Every time you come to a Google Meet, you are going to answer the question and bring it to the Google Meet. And that's going to be how you check in with me. We're going to double check that you know when you are meeting with me and that you have the answer. So here is the question of the week. What did you do over your week off of school? It was the week of Thanksgiving. Did you celebrate Thanksgiving with your family? What's your favorite part? Did you get lots of sleep? Did you play video games? Did you play Among Us? You know, what did you do your week off? Mine, just so you guys know, I put up my Christmas decorations. My house is now decorated for Christmas, which is a good feeling for me. I like decorating my house, so I did Christmas decorations. So let's take a look at what you are doing this week. There are 3 things that you are going to be doing. Number 1, you are going to go to Go Formative and do 2.3a, adding fractions. There's a video and then 10 questions in Go Formative. Then you are going to do 2.3b, which is subtracting fractions. Again, a video and 10 questions in Go Formative. And then your practice is in Schoology. It's a two puzzle sheets, just like you did the week before we were off or whatever. You're going to put them in Notability, complete them, and then submit them to the 2.3 practice assignment in Schoology. If you have questions, please send me a message, and we will talk to you later.